How to create an Apple ID. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store. Once you have opened up your App Store, you have to tap on the My Account option or go for the top right hand corner screen. And here you have to tap on the Apple account of yours. After that, here you have to just go for your Apple account. Once you are on your Apple account here, it will navigate to this space and just go for the sign in option. And you have to sign into your account here. So here you can find your Apple account. Just go for the sign out option first of all. After signing out, here you have to just go for the sign up option. That here you have to look just for the sign up option. Or you can just go for the use a different Apple account here. And you have to enter your email number or phone number. After writing your email number or phone number here, you have to just enter your passkey or password of your Gmail. So then you can easily create your Apple account like this. So you have to just go for the plus icon on and search for the create an Apple account, create Apple ID here. After that, here you have to just go for that. How to create a new Apple account here. So with your Apple account, you can access all Apple devices and services here. You can see that. So to create your Apple account, you have to follow the on-screen instruction to provide an email address and you have to create a strong password. You have to go to the account.apple.com. You can see that here. So here you can see that you will be navigate to this page and you have to follow the on-screen instruction to provide an email address. And here you can see the following and you have to enter your birthday and phone number, etc. Here you can see that. After that, you can easily sign into your Apple account like this. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.